Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to fix AnyDesk not working in Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. AnyDesk is a tool that will help you to access other computers remotely. However, if there is issue with the application, then you will not be able to use it. So to fix it, you can follow this step. First of all, try to close all the AnyDesk tasks. For that, simply right click on taskbar. Then open Task Manager, click on Processes and look for AnyDesk application. So here we have the AnyDesk application. Simply select it, right click on it, then click on End Tasks and it will close the AnyDesk application. After that, check whether AnyDesk application is correctly installed on your system or not. For that, you can simply open Control Panel, then click on Install a Program. And here check whether you have AnyDesk application or not. As you can see here, I don't have AnyDesk installed on my system. You can also check this from the setting. For that, simply open Settings, click on Apps, then click on Install Apps, and here on Search for Apps, search for AnyDesk. So as you can see here, the application is not installed on my system. However, if I try to search AnyDesk on my search, I will get anydesk.exe application. So this is the installer file, not the actual application. When you open the .exe file of AnyDesk, you will be able to use it. However, this is not the actual application. To get the actual application on a system, you have to correctly install it on your device. You have just downloaded the exe file from the official website, but you have not installed it on your system. To install it, open anydesk.exe file and here we'll find install AnyDesk on this device option. Simply click on it. Select the installation path where you want to install AnyDesk. Then keep everything to default. Then click on accept and install. And it will install the application on your system. Now you can use AnyDesk without an issue. However, if you're still facing issue, then you can simply open AnyDesk as administrator. For that, here on the search option, search for AnyDesk. So here you can see here we have the AnyDesk application and the .exe installer file. Simply right click on this AnyDesk application, then click on Run as Administrator. And this should fix the issue. So that's it. This is how you can fix AnyDesk not working in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.